Hi, I'm Maureen Nwankwo, founder of Healthy Options with Maureen. After taking some time away for advanced studies to better serve you, I'm excited to announce the relaunch of this space as Nourish and Bloom. I return as a professionally trained nutritional therapist. I am also currently completing my certification as a professional fitness trainer. Nourish and Bloom is your go-to space to help you thrive through nutritious food, intentional movement, and holistic self-care. I am passionate about helping individuals design personalized diets and embrace healthy cooking and fitness habits that can naturally prevent and reverse diseases. There's so much I can't wait to share with you. Welcome to the Nourish and Bloom community.